Really? How did you end up there? Just realized, I just noticed that. Oh, and there's a cop. He's looking like, what the f was that? Green arrow, come on. Oh, wow. Oh, this macaque's gonna make the light. Oh, are they gonna go for it? Yep. You might as well have just gone, dude. Like, you might as well have just gone at that point. Really? Really? Fucking idiot. God. Cyclists, I swear to God, my light was still green and he just completely was going through it. Oh, what? Wow. You stupid.
Right above High Rock Lake.
Okay. Oh, what the f*** are these people doing? Look, why did she try to pull a U-turn so far back from the light? Oh my God, what are we doing here? What are we doing? I'm going that way. I'm going that way. Oh my good God. I am going that way. You back up. You back up. All right. Oh, watch, this Corolla needs to get off here. Yep. You're gonna cut in, aren't you? Yep. Good. Why did you take that so wide? Hey, you just completely pulled out in front of that Honda. God, you're just a great driver. You because they just did a U-turn on a red light too. Oh, this is gonna be good.
I don't think about you, baby. I don't really miss you at all.
I don't know what you're doing, but what are you doing? Oh my good God. What the f***? She just about drove into the side of me. Oh, you know, that's a thing now.
That's probably my least favorite segment of any car. Why are you on our side of the road?
Yeah, I don't know. Your RAV4 is not that wide.
No.
This is a terrible setup. There's no cones or anything. They just put trucks in the middle of the road. And people almost smack into them like that. Hello? Hello?